Silohar, and we are going to present the presentation on low power and area efficient design of VLSI circuit. This is our research paper topic. Then another slide is index part. In this index part, we are present the presentation on introduction, technology versus leakage power, leakage control transistors, that is LCT, advantage and disadvantages of PLPC CMOS, and limitation, conclusion, and another point is references. Then first part is introduction. Power dissipation is an important consideration in the design of CMOS VLSI circuit. In submicron technologies, leakage power becomes a key for a low power design due to it ever increasing proportion in chip total power consumption. And another point is high power consumption leads to reduction in battery life in case of battery powered applications and affects reliability, packaging, and cooling cost. Then this is the part of technology versus leakage power. In this, as the feature size becomes smaller, shorter channel length result in increasing sub-threshold leakage current through a transistor increases when it is off. And another point is low threshold voltage also result in increases sub-threshold leakage current become transistors cannot be turned off completely. This is the graph of technology versus leakage, which have shown in the figure. Then another part is leakage control transistor, that is LCT. In this proposed technique, we introduce a single leakage control transistors with the logical gate for which the gate terminals of leakage control transistor LCT is controlled by the output of the circuit itself. The main advantage as compared to the technique is that LC-PMOS technique does not require any additional control and monitoring circuitry. Here in this figure shows that pull-up network and pull-down network. Here is two inputs, that is one input one and many inputs. And there is for the pull-up network connected to the VDD and pull-down network is connected to the ground, and the output of this is calculated. And here we use the MOSFET as connected to the ground. Then another point is advantages of LPC CMOS. The first advantage is very low static power consumption. The second advantage is reduction the complexity of the circuit. Then third advantage is the high density of logic functions on a chip. And last one main advantage is the high speed than NMOS. Currently computing chip operating at 4 GHz are available in the open market. Then another slide is explained by the Akanksha.
Disadvantages of LPC CMOS. Increased cost due to additional processing steps, but this is being rectified. Second, packaging density less than NMOS. Third, MOS chips must be protected from acquiring static charges by keeping the leads shorted. Static charges acquired in leads will destroy the chip. At present, this problem has been rectified by using built-in protective devices or circuits. Limitations. First, empty CMOS. Basically, empty stands for multi-thread CMOS. High threshold NMOS gating transistor is connected between the pull-down network and the ground, and low threshold voltage transistors are used in the gate. Second, sleep transistor technique. This is a state destructive technique which cuts off either pull-up or pull-down or both the networks from supply voltage or ground or both using sleep transistors. Third, force stack. In this technique, every transistor in the network is duplicated with both the transistors bearing half the original transistor width. Leakage feedback technique. This technique is based on the sleep approach to maintain logic during sleep mode. The leakage feedback technique uses two additional transistors, and the two transistors are driven by the output of an inverter, which is driven by output of the circuit implemented utilizing leakage feedback. Last one is conclusion. The LC CMOS The LCP CMOS technique, when applied to generic logic circuits, achieves up to 80 to 92% leakage reduction over the respective conventional circuits without affecting the dynamic power. A trade-off between propagation delay and area overhead exists here. The increase in leakage power because of scaling down of device dimensions, supply and threshold voltage in order to achieve high performance and low dynamic power dissipations becomes more with the deep submicron and nanometer technologies, and thus it becomes a great challenge to tackle the problem of leakage power. Last references. Thank you.